Hi, my name is Harrison Schreier, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the impact of Snapchat's Lens feature. So we start out on the front page of my website, and we can first see in the top left corner there's a little part where it says the current date is Sunday, December 17th. So due to JavaScript, we have this date up here which can change every day, so it's the correct date depending on when the user looks at it. So in the top right, we have a little animation I drew with the Snapchat Ghost and the Lens feature, which is what my project is about. So the Snapchat Lens feature is a feature that was added to the application Snapchat, which is a mobile application for sharing pictures and videos quickly with friends. So this Lens feature was added a couple of years ago, and it revolutionized the way that Snapchat worked and the way that people shared their pictures and videos and the way that they added special effects to them. And here we can see an animation that I've made in Pixlr with three different pictures layered together. And we can scroll down and see a paragraph I wrote about Snapchat and about how it works and about how the younger generation in the United States uses it very often. So we then see the table of contents, and we can see how when I scroll over them, they change color and they turn red when my cursor is over them, and this is because of the HTML and the CSS that I've added to this web page. So we used HTML and CSS to program our web pages with an application called cPanel, which is online. So we can go on cPanel and we can log in, and our website will be all different HTML pages that we can edit the codes of, and we can go in and edit the CSS and the HTML depending on what we want on our page. So we click on Purpose. We can see at the top the custom banner that I made in Pixlr, and it has my custom logo right here, the Snap Lens, and it has the impact of Snapchat lenses and my name, and also the little picture that I made right here in the top. So this page Purpose is about what the Snapchat Lens feature is about and how the innovation has affected people, and it also just provides a clear description of the intended purpose of this feature. So I've included two pictures. One is Snapchat's own Snap code that you can actually take there and learn more information about Snapchat, the QR code over here, and then also an example right here of the way Snapchat works. And I have a video here embedded about how to use the Snap filters and the different ones that they currently had. Um, So next we go to the effects and impacts page. So this page explains the benefit or harmful effects of this innovation. The Lens feature benefits society by adding another fun and interactive layer of entertainment to this user interface. Because people have already been using Snapchat to share pictures and videos with each other, but once you start adding these special effects, it really adds a new fun aspect of this picture and video sharing that will make more people want to do it. So the impact that this innovation has had on society, the economy, or culture is that it creates fun, lasting effects on society, culture, and the users themselves. This feature creates fun and interactive ways to add special effects to photos and videos, which actually brings people together. Adam, so I'm going to be asking you a question today about Snapchat lenses. So, how do you think that the use of Snapchat lenses has either improved or not improved the use of the app? Has it made it better, do you think?
I think the Snapchat lenses make using Snapchat a lot better because it gives you a more creative way of displaying what you're taking a picture of.
Oh, all right. Thank you. So this innovation has impacted computer science, but has also impacted some other fields of fields of work like business, because this feature allows different companies to submit advertisements that Snapchat turns into lenses, which the users can see and interact with. And businesses can really take advantage of this because their brand is becoming more and more popular through Snapchat, which people use every day, so they can see these advertisements that they might not have seen otherwise. I used Google Analytics and the Google Survey tool to make a survey, and these are the responses of the people that took this survey on what they thought about Snapchat Lens feature. So the next page we have here, we see the banner and my custom picture over here, and this page is all about the technical aspects of Snapchat Lens feature. So the first part describes how users can interact with the innovation, and I talk about things like how the users can apply the special effects of the filters to their selfies or to pictures of their friends, or they can even use these world filters, which are the new Snapchat AR technology, to make the real world feel like it has these elements of Snapchat Lens features, like random advertisements or just different AR technology. It's very cool. And the next part describes how one of the big ideas of program or one of the innovations technology incorporates one of these big ideas, and I talk about how it incorporates the internet, because without the internet, Snapchat wouldn't work, and the servers that deliver Snapchat's pictures and videos to each other that are being transferred back and forth, these wouldn't work without the internet. You need that to connect everything together. So I talk about that and how important the internet really is to this app and to all apps like this. The next part of my website that I talk about is the relationship to data. So this Snapchat Lens feature really takes the data that consumers make and it produces it and transforms it depending on what you're doing in the app. So if you go to take a picture and you add the Snapchat Lens feature to it, you add either, say, puppy dog filter or just whatever they have that day, whatever they're advertising for companies, you add that to your picture. That's transforming the data. So you've also made data, you've produced data by taking that picture. And once you've added their lens feature to it, you've transformed it, and then you can send it out to their friends or to whoever you're Snapchatting. And this is you producing data. Now, when people send it to you, you can you can get data in your phone as an input, um, and you can even screenshot that and work on that Snapchat or whatever they've sent you as an input, and then you can produce that data and transform it as well. So one big concern regarding Snapchat is the privacy and security concern related to it, because a lot of people have seen in the news how celebrities can get their pictures and photos and videos leaked that they've sent on Snapchat, which is just bad for everyone. Nobody wants that because it's a privacy concern, and nobody wants their privacy breached like that. It's not okay. So I talk about how this happens, and how this is something that users are concerned about. So the last page on my website is the references. I have 4 different references from where I've gotten the information from. And as you can see, I have these buttons here that navigate us through the website, but also if you click on the link here, it will take you back to the home page. For more information, visit my website hgs827.vps.cs.uri.edu. Thanks for watching.